Annankatu 25 in Helsinki. Shelter has been modernized recently. I got the original one filmed in 2012 and last ride in a few months ago. This was our Kone V-Series elevator. Cap is now battery volume. It was stainless steel before, but it was amazing with V-Series elevator. In 1981, modernized in 2020. It's brand new. It's 40309 and completed in 3 weeks ago. 7th floor. One ride is enough, I think, yeah. 6 purse, so 480 kilograms. Take counter ride also. Inspected by Kiva. HCP is maintained by Suomen Hissiurakointi. HCP is mostly used with Schiller and Espoo, probably also Suomen Hissiurakointi. Sometimes even Kone, 7th floor. This floor indicator is not so bad, but otherwise this cap is not so bad, but still. Torsion doors for totally and no inner doors. It's a good thing. But this crappy generic elevator. Ground floor. That